Good morning, everybody. First of all, I'd like to tell you I'm a theoretical physicist, and I'm obsessed with a particular theory known as thermodynamics, okay? So raise your hand in the audience if you don't understand the laws of thermodynamics. Everyone understands. So there's people here who don't understand. Very good. Okay. So as a theory, the thermodynamics is very impressive because it describes everything basically in the universe, from the scales of the engine in your car or the refrigerator in your kitchen or even stars in the galaxy, okay? And what I'd like to do today with you guys is to teach you the first law of thermodynamics, okay? So we do an experiment together. So what does the first law of thermodynamics say? It says you can raise the energy of a system in two ways, okay? First way, you can add or take away heat, okay? Second, you could do work on the system. But they're both types of energy, heat and work, right? And it's not entirely obvious how they're different, okay? So now let's do the first experiment. Can I ask everybody in the audience to stand up? You see, what I've done now is I've raised the energy of this system. Now you can sit down. We do the second experiment, okay? So you're already halfway there to learn the first law of thermodynamics. So sit down, sit down. Okay, we have time. Second experiment. I want to do the same thing again, but this time I want everybody to stand up at the same time. But wait, I count on three. So on the count of three, everyone stands up at the same time. 1, 2, 3. Stand up. Very good. So let me explain the difference. You can remain standing if you like. Let me explain the difference between these two things. In the first experiment, what you notice is that basically I took you by surprise, right? All of you kind of got up at different times. So in some sense, you can understand that as a disordered source of energy, and that's what in physics we call heat. It's a disordered source of energy. In the second case, okay, what I did was I commanded you in an ordered way to make this energy change. So I made the same energy change in two different ways. One, which is heating, disorder, and one, which is work, ordered, okay? And so now, you'll never forget the first law of thermodynamics. Thank you very much.